Before starting the video, I'm so sorry for the delay, guys, because I had exams. My exams are completed, so I'm going to upload videos fastly than before. Okay, today's topic is about how to remove a raw footage object from the raw footage. Okay, let's start this video with a small intro. Okay guys, now we're going to go ahead and click on VFX. This will just create a VFX file for us. It will ask us to open a movie clip. In my case, I'll just go to the removing object folder. Sorry, hide objects. Yeah, see, raw footage. There's a clip named raw footage. We're going to open that. Yep, I want this object to be removed from the total clip. I'll set the in value as 200. Okay, after that I will go ahead and add a tracker at this point. Okay, I'm going to press Control left click on this object, I mean the point, and S to scale the tracker. Also, we're going to track it, but how? We're going to click on Control T, or we can just open the track panel and there'll be and click on this option. Okay, but I'm going to go ahead and click on Control T. This will track the object. Okay, and it will stop like this. Why? Because Blender can't identify where the object is going in cases like this. So we're going to just adjust that mocap by pressing G. We're going to adjust it and press Control T again. This will track it again, and if you stop again, you can just click on G, grab it, and you can set the place of the tracker. Press Control T again, and yep, my object which I want to remove is being tracked. Okay, yep, so just check it. Yes, my object is being tracked. Now let's go ahead and do some masking. Press tab to go to the masking. Okay, and if you don't know about masking, just click on the I button and you will find a video. You just watch it. Okay, so Control left click to add a mask. Just add it. Okay, just add it, cover the shadow or like that. You can just make a circular mask, and at the end you just need to press Alt C to connect the first and the last dots. Okay, yeah, now we're going to select the mask, I mean all the points, by pressing A, and shift select the track and Control P to parent it. Okay, Control P to parent it. This will just follow, the mask will just follow our path. As you can see, the mask will just follow the path of the raw footage object. Okay, now that you have tracked and also masked the raw footage object's shadows with the shadows, we're going to go ahead and do some compositing to remove that object completely from the video. Okay guys, now we're in our compositing tab. We're going to click on use nodes to add a render layers and the composite nodes. Okay, we're going to make some distance and shift A to add a movie clip. In this kind of cases, we don't need the render layers. Okay, so just select that and press X to delete it. Connect the movie clip node to the composite node and Control Shift left click on the movie clip to add a backdrop of it. Okay, this will just take some time. What's this? Yeah, wait, I understand. Okay, we're going to add our movie clip. Yep. And go to the view and you can just zoom it out. Okay. For now, I'm going to just disconnect the composite node. I'm going to work on these two nodes, okay, movie clip and the viewer node. Shift A and add an alpha over node first, alpha over node, and select the second also with the movie clip. Select the second dot as well with the movie clip. Now Shift A and add a mask node. Drop in your mask and select it in the factor node. Okay, factor input. Okay, now we're going to Shift A and add a translate. Okay, translate. Okay, I'll increase the X value as 100. Okay, see, as well as Y, and your object starts to remove. Okay, your object starts to get removed from the movie clip. Now let's just increase those values and just try them. Okay, wait, 300, yeah, boom, guys, you made it. Oh my god. Okay, now just need to drag and connect to the composite node and select this as EV. Okay, and or select this to cycles. Okay, set this to 30. Okay, we made it. We removed an object. Now let's go and do some output properties settings. I'm going to browse my location where I need to render my output. Okay, and I'm going to select this to FFmpeg video. Control S and save your file first. Okay, it's a good idea to save your file before rendering. And let's go ahead and click on render animation. Okay guys, our output has been rendered. Now let's check it out. Yes, oh my god. Okay, it looks fine. And okay, so a small part can be seen in the footage, which is not nice. I want the complete object to be removed from the movie clip. So our mistake was not to check. Okay, so the Y value is not 300. I am going to increase it to 370 or like that. Okay, just need to play with the values. Okay, and now let's go ahead and click on render animation. Okay guys, output has been rendered. This is the output too. Okay, now let's play this. Oh, okay, it's nice. I'm satisfied with the output. Okay guys, we have successfully managed to remove an object from the video clip. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Then please drop a like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon and set it to all to get instant notifications whenever I upload a new video. See you next time in the new video guys. Until then, bye.